Hello kids, how are you all dear? So we are here again to learn new things as always. So you all are ready? Yes, even I'm ready to be with you now. I'm also so happy to see you all again. Yes. So what we are going to make today? See, I'll just show you. This is watercolor doodles. Okay, watercolors plus doodles. Yeah, this is something new we are going to make today. Okay, don't worry, don't worry. As I always take care that you don't find it difficult to what we are going to make. Okay, see, these are the few shapes and designs we are going to make today. Yes, when once first sight when you look at them, na, you find them very hard. But when slowly you will make it. So these are few designs. Let's see how much we can make. Okay. We'll go on doing. देखते हैं कितना होता है. Okay. So good. So this type of some new technique we are going to learn today. Yes, I always try that you get something new to learn, something which gives you fun, which gives you happiness, which gives you satisfaction, and also you become so happy that you want to do it again and again. Okay, so are you all ready? Shall we start, dear? So let's go on the workstation and see what we need, what material we need so that we can start our work. Okay? Okay. So I'll just show one by one, see what things we are going to make. Okay? Okay. See this type of water doodles. Okay. Don't worry at all. You will be able to do it 100%. So don't think they are too hard. Okay? You just have a look what we are going to make today. These type of watercolors and little bit of doodling we are going to do. Yeah. Okay. See, this is the another type we are going to make. Even we can make this type of thing. Okay. And this type of thing. Okay. We'll do one by one, two, three things. Let's see how much time we get and how much work we can do. Okay. So now we will see what materials we will need so that we can do the work according to our choice. Okay, I'm just putting this aside. Okay. So we will need A4 size of sheet. Yeah, you can do it in the drawing book also, but we are doing two, three things now. Then if you will do in drawing book, then the color will be wet and you won't be able to put it down to let it dry. So I would suggest take sheets only, dear. Okay, if only one sheet we are going to do, then you can do in the book also, because you can keep open the book and the color will dry. But here what will happen, we need two three things to do simultaneously. We will do one sheet, we will put it aside so that it can dry, we will do another sheet, and like that. So just take two three sheets so that you can have fun and you won't be too much worried that how the color will dry and all. Okay, so just take two three sheets so that you can have wonderful time with this new technique. Okay, so we need two three sheets. I have taken few of them. As we will need, we will take and use. Okay, other than this, I have taken few poster colors. Just have a look. Okay, these colors I am having. Yeah, these are all common colors: red, orange, green, pink, blue, white. Okay, yes, I have taken light colors. I have not taken too dark colors like blue, black, brown. I am not. I have taken bright colors so that when you make your drawings, even your drawing is bright and colorful. Okay. Okay. And other than this, I have taken a glass of water. Yes, we will need it. Of course, when we use watercolor, we need it. Okay. Then I have taken brush. Yes, any brush is perfectly fine. Don't worry. They're not thick. Yeah, not to worry at all. Okay. Yeah, I have taken one straw. Yes, you can take little bit big, small. It's perfectly fine. Not to worry about the size. We need a straw. That's all. I was not having too big. That's why I took small. You can take the big one also. Okay. And I have taken a brush. You can take a brush of any type like this. If you're not having any type, this or type of brush, you can take even toothbrush also. Yes, I'll show you. See this type of brush now, which is of no use. It is mummy have discarded it. You can take that also, okay? Or you can take this type of brush also, okay? So these things we will need to make our design more beautiful, okay? And last but not the least, we will need few color of gel pen. If only black is there, then also perfectly fine. Yeah. These are the optional, but only if black gel pen is there. Yeah, this is waterproof gel pen because we will use along with the watercolors, na? So if we use sketch pen, then the color spreads all over. And we don't want our color to spread. So that's why we will use this gel pen. It's having very fine, yeah, point. The point is so fine. You just can see it, na? We don't want thick point. We want a fine point, okay? And this is waterproof gel pen so that we can do the work without any worries, okay? Okay. So I hope now the material part is clear, dear. Okay? No worries about the material confusion. Okay, shall we start? Okay, dear. Okay. I'll give a fast recap of material. See, I have taken 2-3 sheets of white A4 size sheet. All the bright colors, poster colors, you can see. Yes, I have not taken dark colors like brown, black, navy blue and all. Okay, all bright colors. Black gel pen, waterproof. One brush, glass of water. Yeah, of course, a rough kerchief. Okay, yeah. And then two things we will need. This is a straw. Yeah, I have taken small one because right now I was not having a long one. So any size is perfectly fine. We will just need for two little work. And this type of any brush we will need, okay? Yeah, any one which is, yeah. Whichever you are having, you can take it, okay? Okay. So now let's start here. Okay, I'm just taking one sheet at a time. Okay, I'll just keep all the sheets here and we will take one by one. Okay, so let's open the colors and start our work. Okay, bright colors we are going to take. I'm opening orange color. This is light green color. This is yellow color. This is light blue color. Pink. Yes, we will take all this color. That's why I am opening it, okay? Okay, don't worry. Yes. So, all the colors are ready with me, okay? Okay. So, shall we start, dear? Okay. Now, I'm just putting the extra things aside so that you can have a complete view and you don't get confused with the material, okay? Okay. So, let me put all aside, okay. So, these 6 colors I have taken right at a time, okay? Okay. So, let's start. Now, what we will do, first take this light green color, okay? Yes. And just do like this randomly. Okay? Yes. You know how to scribble, na? The same way. Just do like this randomly. We don't want any particular shape, okay? Little bit here and there is perfectly fine. So don't worry too much about the shape. Just do it like this. Here, you have to do all the colors with ease. There is no worry about the shape. Whatever we will do like this only. So don't worry at all that can't draw properly or like this. Okay, just do randomly the green color. Okay, don't take too much of water. If you will take too much of water, then it will take more time to dry and you will find it difficult also. Okay. Yes. Okay. And now we are having this green color brush, na? So what we will do, we will take little bit of more color, and what we will do, we will make little bit small circle also right over here. Yeah. Try to make sort of circle over here. Yeah, little bit here and there is, I told you na, perfectly fine. Okay. Try to make like this. That's fine. Okay. Now I am washing my brush. Every time you change the color, wash your brush properly. Otherwise, you will mess up with the color. Okay? Okay. So now I washed my color. I washed my brush properly. And now my brush is ready for the next color. Okay, first we will take the light colors so that they come properly on the paper. Okay, so now let's take the orange color. What we will do little bit of orange like this. Yes, I told you now there is no particular shape you have to take. Just put like this randomly. Don't make too big. Make small, small dots like this, okay? And I'm making one more over here. But the only thing you have to remember is take very less water. Don't take too much of water, okay? Yeah, otherwise you have to take the color and just put it on the paper little bit. There is no worry about the shape you have taken, okay? Okay, again I'm washing my brush because we are going to change the color. Okay? Yes, now let's take yellow color. So what we will do, I'll just put near the orange one. Yeah, we have mixed two color here. Okay. And we will make one more dot with plain orange also. Okay. Okay. So we will make one orange shade also. Oh, yellow shade also. Okay. So see how many colors we used: orange, green, and yellow. Okay. So three colors are done. I have kept all the colors in front of me. So we can go one by one and we can use all the colors. Okay. Okay. Now wash the brush. Now take the blue one. Again, same thing, very less color. Don't take too much of color. Okay. Yes. So the blue color is also here. Now, what we will do, we will take red. So I'm just putting red with orange. Okay. So we have some combinations also. These all we have taken plain solid color. Na? Here I'm taking little two colors together to have something more exciting. Okay. Okay. And let's have one plain red also. So we are having so many colors on the paper, na? Don't worry, we will make beautiful things out of it. Now I'm what doing? I'm just putting pink color with yellow little bit so that we get beautiful shade over here. Okay. So Like this, we made few colors. Just we made the dots type of thing, okay? Round, round. No particular size, no particular shape. It's perfectly fine. Just do little, little, little round, round randomly. Okay? Now what we will do, it will take few minutes to dry. It won't take too much of time. Hardly 2-3 minutes to dry. So what we will do, we'll just put this aside so that it will dry and then we can proceed and we will take one another sheet. Okay? Okay. So let's go for the another sheet. Okay? Yes. Now this time we will make little big rounds. Okay, with same colors but little big rounds. I show you like this. See, this is big now. Okay, and here what we will do, we will take this or this brush. You can take any of this, whichever is available with you. And now just do it like this. Yeah, randomly. So the color will have strokes like this. Okay? Yes. Now I'm making one more. Okay, we'll take some other color. Don't take orange color on a second time. Once is okay. Okay. Now what we will do, I'm taking this pink. I'm taking little watery. Just see how much water is there. Okay. Yes, because we will need water to blow. I'll show you how. Don't just have a look. See, I'll take this straw. Okay, like this. Just blow little bit. Okay, not much. Okay. So like this, you have to blow little and make color spread. So it blew from all the sides randomly, okay? Okay. Now let's take the red color. See, I am making little big rounds. Can you see? Yes. And again, with that brush I told you, I'm taking this one now. Just look at this. So we got the shade like this, okay? Okay. Now let's take blue color we will take, okay. No problem. So we will take little this type of shape. So now we have given different shapes to different colors, okay? Okay, now one more sheet will do. Let's see if the sheet is dried up. If it is dried up, we will go for that. And if it is wet, we have to give 1 or 2 minutes more. Okay, we'll just give 1 minute more, okay? So let's make one more sheet like this. Okay, now it's hardly a minute. so that it will dry. Okay, okay. So now what we will do, just we will take the colors like this. See, look at me. We'll do like this. Just doing color. Okay, I did yellow in the middle. Okay. This was the lightest one, na? That's why I took first. So first take the lightest one. Okay. Now without washing color, I am taking the orange one. And let it mix little bit and let it be separately on the extra side. Okay. Okay. Here also don't take too much of water. Okay. Now I am taking little bit of red. So see, you can see now I'm doing randomly, not any particular shape. Just mixing randomly. Okay. Okay. Now pink. I'm not making small circles. I'm just mixing with their each other. The only thing we have to be careful is don't take too much of water. Okay. So now our color part in the middle is finished. Okay. Now we will take green color and we will do here. Just randomly do the green color here. Okay. So I'm mixing all the colors. Can you see? And no any particular shape. I took yellow, then I did little orange, then red, then pink. And now I'm doing the green color on the down part of the paper. That's all. Only this much color we are going to take here. If you wish, we can add one or two color more. Or if you wish, you can stop here also. Okay. Yeah, this will dry very fast. Don't worry. Now these sheets are ready. Okay. Now we will go for that. Okay. Let's take one more color. Little bit of sky blue. Okay. I'm not washed my brush so that it will blend with green color and we'll get a new color. Yes, all the colors you have to take randomly and just keep on moving your brush. Okay. Now I'm just taking little more blue. Here it was mixed with green, na? That's why it gave other color. And here the blue color has come on its own. So we are having little dark. So many shades we are having, na? Okay. So now this is done. We will keep this aside so that it will dry. Okay. Now let's see which sheet is dried up. Okay. This is also dried. And even this is also ready. Okay, so we can go for both of them. Okay, this one is dried up. So first we will take this. Now we will keep these colors aside. Okay. Okay, now our work for this color is done. I'm just keeping this aside. Otherwise we will spill on our paper and our painting will be all in vain. So now once this color work is finished, we can go with the next process. Okay. Okay. Now if there is any water, let me clear it. Otherwise, our sheet will become wet again. Okay. Okay. So this one color is little bit wet. So what we will do? We will just do like this so that the color water will spread. Okay. Now the water is dried up. Okay. Now what you have to do? Just be with me. Take your black gel pen. Okay. Yes. Now comes the final part of giving the beautiful effect to our painting. Yeah, this looks difficult, but if you will do with me, you will find it easy. Okay. Okay. So take the black gel pen that I told you, the waterproof with very fine point. Yeah. Okay. Just get ready with this and see that if your painting is dried up. Yeah, it's totally dried up. Okay. Now what we will do? We will make small circles like this. Some big, some small. Yes, just make like this. See, the color is dried up, so you can make it. I'll just show. Randomly. Okay, there is no particular counting. Okay, this much you have to make or this size you have to make. You have to make randomly. Okay. Yes, in one corner. Okay. Now same way I'm making this side also. Yes, you have to do randomly. I told you na, no hard and fast rule about the size or counting, nothing like that. Okay, small, as if you scribble in the paper. Okay, okay. Now what we will do? We will make like this. Okay, very good, very good. Now make two eyes. And if you have red color gel pen, then make one triangle like this. And if you don't have, then make with black color only. If at all you have a red color, you can go for that. See, this simple circle will look like a bird now. Okay. So just in case you have red, then make it with this. Otherwise, make with black. And now just make two slanting line like this. With the gel pen, that is waterproof. Yeah, you don't have to use marker because we need thin line. We don't want a thick line. Okay. That's right. And make two inverted V's over here. So it will look like a bird. See? So cute bird it is looking now. That's right. That's right. Okay. Wonderful. Okay. Now we'll come to the next one. It's little wet, so I'm just giving it time to dry up. We will come here. Okay. Let's make this first because it is total dry. Yeah, this is also dried up. This is also dried up. So till then we will make this. This will get ready. Okay. Okay. So what we will do? We will make a V like this. And fill it with black color. Okay. Now let's make eyes. Now you will see that all these circles with the help of this gel pen will convert into birds. Just make like this, wavy lines, curved lines like this. Just have a look. See, it's looking like a sparrow, isn't it? Yes. Now we will make small 2-3 shape over here to make our bird beautiful. That's right. Okay, now let's make the leg part. So again, two slanting lines and two inverted V's. Okay. Okay, so this bird is looking up. This was looking down. Okay, now let's see what else we can make. Okay, so now we will make here. Okay, now this is blue, na? So let's take a red color. If at all you don't have, just go for black. Don't worry. It's totally optional. Yeah, I was having red, that's why I'm taking. You can go for black also. Okay. Now make eyes. Okay. Now what we will do? We will make like this the feathers. Isn't it? Yes. Now we will make this side also one. Yeah, this is small, but easy work. Okay. And again, two legs. So just have a look. These were simple color dots. Okay, we just made randomly and now they are looking so beautiful birds. There was no particular shape. Okay, they was just color we put randomly on the paper and now they are looking like a bird, isn't it? Okay, now this is also dried up. Okay, so we will make this also a bird. Okay, so just I'm taking the black color, just have a look. I'm making a beak here. Okay, and now I'm making round, small rounds all over. Here I'm making eyes. And same way, make two legs. You have to make randomly. Don't worry that the particular shape is different. Mine is different. That is totally optional. You can make the beak anywhere. Just look this. I have made it like this. You can make this beak here also, here also, here also. Okay. And you can make the shapes in any direction. And the simple color patches just got converted into birds. Okay, isn't it? So now this sheet is ready. Okay, okay. Now we will take this sheet. Okay, yeah, this is also dried up. See, just touch them. It's totally dried up. Okay, so these are called watercolor doodles. What are these called? Watercolor doodles. Okay, so we are having so many colors and green also. So what we can do, we can make flowers in this. So what we will do with the black shards is just make flower randomly. You can make any type of flower here. Okay. Yes, small rounds. Anything you can make. I'll just show you. See, I'm making in this yellow color part. Okay. Now what we will do, we will make some more shape of flowers like this, as if the flowers are there. randomly. You can make any shape, whichever you like. It's totally optional. This patch of color will just convert into beautiful shape with your imagination. Just have a look. See. Just draw randomly any flower, any shape. Even if you want to draw some leaf, if you can draw it. You can want to draw some bird, you can make it. Whatever you like, okay? It's totally optional. See, just make line like this. Here, what we will do like this. Just make round. Isn't it? Yes, you can do like this also. Round. Just you can scribble like this. See, just I scribbled it round, nothing doing, isn't it? Okay, let's make some different shape over here. What we will do, we will make round like this. Okay, yes. First big, then small. Again, big, small. See? And when you do like this, you get a beautiful picture in the end. I'll just show you. Just look at this. So just have a look. So beautiful picture it's converting into. Just randomly I'm making the shapes. Na? You can scribble it like any shape. Okay. Here what we will do, we will make a shape like this. See, all shapes I've done randomly. Okay. There is no hard and fast. You can make any shape of your choice. It's just your imagination. Put your imagination and draw any shape in one color. Okay, you can draw leaves, you can draw circles, you can draw lines, you can draw just haphazard or any curve, whatever you like. Okay, that's right. Now let's make some curves here. See, now what we will do, we'll just make a shape like this. Okay, just you can do, I told you now, just use your imagination and carry on. Okay, so all this colorful part we have covered with different shapes. Okay, now this part. So let's give some leaf shape. Make line like this as if there are many flowers. Okay, and what we will do, we will make like this. The leaf part or not like that. Just make randomly. So it will look like as if many leaves are there and we made flowers and leaves and bunch of all different shapes. Okay, just make randomly. So can you see simple mixing colors just got converted into a beautiful picture. Okay. So it's looking as if some artist had made this, isn't it? So what you can do, all these shapes you can make of your choice. This is just a sample I have shown you. You can just change the shapes of your choice. You can randomly make anything, leaves, circles, stars, line, curves. Okay? Okay. So now let's go on the third part. Okay? Okay, this is the last one. So what we will do, we will make this as a tree. Okay, now make this type of parts inside. So it will look like a tree. Okay, just make like this. Yes, oval shape, leaf shape, whatever you say. Just make it to show that there are leaf in there are so many leaves in the tree. Yes, this all you have to do with your gel pen, okay? Yes, because gel pen works nicely on the color. Yes, just have a look like this. Okay, now let's make this just what we will do. Okay, make two eyes. Yes, you can. This is little dark now, that's why it's difficult to see. And then a beak. Okay, now I'm making small design in it. Any design, circle, square, plus, minus, zero, like this. Okay, and now two curved lines. Okay, same way we will do here. Now I know that you know how to make this. Now you are getting how this technique little in your mind, na? So nice, so nice. Make around. Yes. That's why we made two, three things so that you know how to make this. This is a technique that is called water doodles. Okay. See, here also we used water randomly, and then each and every shape we made different shapes. Okay. So this is called water doodling. Okay. That's right. Here also the colors were just random and we converted them in the shape. Yeah, that's right. Okay. So what we will do, just do like this. Same way, you can draw the beak in any direction, then eyes, and then the beautiful shape you have to draw. Okay, let's make small triangles over here. I'll just show, see, isn't it? So nice, na? Yeah, they look so cute. Small birdies. Yes, like you. You all are so cute, na? So you are making cute birdies, okay? That's right. Now let's make the bird facing down. Here I'm just making lines, okay? No any shape. See? Just like this. And two eyes. Randomly, you can make any shape. I'll just show you. Just look at this. Okay. So nice, na? Yes, I just made triangle. That's all. Nothing else. And make V like this. Okay. Every time you have to make big. When you make small, na, that's why. Here we made different shapes just randomly, round, leaf, some lines, some curves. And here we are making big eyes and circles and lines. That's all. Okay. All the birds are ready. So what we will do, we can just make a, I'll just show you. Wait. What we will do, I'm taking little brown color to give the surface over here with very light shade. Okay, first we will do here in the tree, and then little bit here to show the land part. Okay, randomly you have to draw little brown color. Yeah, you can do this with sketch pen also, but it will be little difficult. You can go for crayon also, but here we use watercolor, na? That's why I took watercolor only. Yes, I have taken very less color. So it will dry within a no hardly a minute. Okay. So you won't find it difficult to do it. So just have a look. This was the, see, these were the small shapes from which we made birds. These were little big. Okay. And this was the randomly done color which we converted into a bunch of flowers and shapes, isn't it? And what you can do else, I'll just show you. You can do one thing here. You can give any light shade. I'll show you like this. Just let me show you so that your paper don't look bland. You can do yellow color light here. So full your paper looks colorful. Okay, just do like this. You can use this type of design for making cards also. Just do color randomly and make few shapes inside it. And your card is ready. This is very easy but beautiful technique, and you can use always. In this type of color, na, you can give any shape of your choice. If you don't know any shape, you can scribble also. Curvy line, zigzag line, up and down, standing line, slipping line, small circles, small triangles, anything you can make. Okay. So in little colors, you just go on making color shapes with the gel pen, and you will have a beautiful figure in your hands. Okay. So like this, see, the full paper is ready with the color. So you need not worry what it looks like plain or this. So this type of work you can do with your imagination. Just put round, just put a big eye and smaller big shapes. Just have a look. See, here I just put lines. Here I made triangle. Here I made circles. Just leaves, okay? So from simple scribbling and dots of color, you can make so beautiful pictures, isn't it? Just have a look. That's right. Okay. So now I want to see what you have done the magic with the colors and shapes. Okay. So it's time to show on the screen. I'll just show mine and you show yours. Okay. See, this is the randomly made color and we made shapes inside the color. Okay. See, just all the colors randomly and we made shapes. Here, what we did, we just made small dots of color and then we made small beak and shapes and the tree. Okay. And here last, we made little big circles and we converted them in the bird shape. Okay. So this is what we made. Now I'm eagerly waiting to see your picture, your imagination, your birds, your colorful drawing. Yes, let me see. Good, good, very good. Yes. See, this technique is new, na? So you may find little difficult in starting. But if you do slowly, if you keep on practicing, you will have so much of fun. I promise. Just make few dots, let it dry for a minute or two, and then use your gel pen with different shapes inside it, and you will do wonders. Okay. The same thing like this. See, we just colored it like this, and when it dried up, we did color inside this. We draw shape inside it. This is a beautiful way to make cards also. Okay. So definitely try for this even if you are not very well in starting. Yes, practice make you very what I say that I don't know. Practice will make you perfect. That's right. Okay, that's right. That's right. Okay, so I'll always suggest that keep on practicing, use your imagination, and go on. Okay, so now, awesome, awesome, dear. I can see you all have done so beautiful work. That's so good. Yes, all the colors, all the shapes, they are looking very pretty. Yes, your picture is even looking more pretty than mine. Yes, good work, good work. So, okay, it's time to say bye, dear. Keep practicing. I hope you had fun. Even I was so happy to be with you. Okay, so bye, dear. Have fun.